Here we go on the revival of the Boulder fountain I did 4 years ago. I'll have to dig through, find some old pictures, but basically I brought home I brought home all the rocks for all these walls in my front yard. It's like 175 lineal feet of stonework. A lot of work. Only took me 8 years. But I got it done. Everybody said I would never finish it. That's what they said about these two boulders. The upper one's 800 pounds, the lower's 600 pounds. I had a 4-foot sonotube I put here in the base of it to hold the circle. And then I got rebar that comes up inside the walls, rebar cage. It's about 2 feet deep. What you see is about 2 feet deep. And then I dug like another 2 feet cylinder in the center there. I put 2 light pole anchor bolts for a street light on a city street corner, and those go up into the rock. I had a friend core drill for the tubing to go up to the top, and then I rotor hammer drilled bolts, the anchor bolts to go up in there. I put epoxy in the boulder as it lay flat. I put duct tape over the hole, so when I lifted it with the bobcat and swung it over there, and then I set it down onto it, punctured the duct tape, but it kept most of the epoxy in the hole. Then I've got 2 7/8 anchor bolts from lower rock to upper rock, same program, and it's worked really great all these years, but it looks bad. It's time to wash it, clean it, finish it. This finish that's on the concrete benches here, which is black concrete with the carbide silica, it has a lot of sparkle in it. It's like putting glitter in the black concrete. So I have to plaster coat that fountain, and this bench just didn't get done in time that day. So we're off to a great start. So basically I'm just radiusing the edges and softening them up. They were crisp and hard, and the outside edge, I'm softening that up, so everything's gonna be just kind of swirly, smooth, curvilinear, and all that fancy word stuff. And then I dug a hole in the back here. I bought a little filter box. The guts are over here from Home Depot, and it works pretty good. This elm tree, you really don't want to build a fountain below an elm tree, because all these seed pods drop every year, and all of these leaves, all of these leaves fall off that tree every year. So I wouldn't recommend that, but I drilled a hole through the back of it. I got to run the cord out the back. I put in this concrete bench here, I put an outlet on the end, and it'll have a switch so I can control the on off for this fountain. I got to clean it, maintain it about once a week. It drinks a little bit of water in the warmer months, but we'll get her cleaned up and finally finish this beast.